With digitalization on the rise, the introduction of Industrial Internet of Things and Industry 4.0 applications, increasing need for high data rate services, and evolving mobile systems are driving demand for wireless connectivity. In factory automation, wireless networks provide an ideal solution for communication between moving platforms and controllers in material handling systems. As the number of sensors and control units for managing production lines grows, more data is generated, including confidential information. Ensuring the protection of sensitive data and sufficient bandwidth introduces new challenges for wireless communications. Moxa's AWK-1151C, AWK-4252A, and AWK-3252A are the first industrial Wi-Fi devices compliant with IEC 62443-4-2 Security Level 2, providing robust device-level security for an extra layer of network protection. The AWK series offers 802.11ac dual concurrent radio performance with aggregated rates of up to 1.3 gigabits per second and dual-band turbo roaming for reliable, seamless wireless connectivity. Featuring multiple operation modes, the AWK series is designed to build a high-bandwidth, dynamic mobile environment for data-intensive communications. With streamlined management tools, the AWK series further simplifies wireless operations and the integration of mobile systems outfitted with complex components. Build reliable wireless connectivity for mobile automation and IP surveillance in manufacturing, healthcare, mining, and many other industries with Moxa's AWK series.